Hi, Chris Weitzel, ChrisProduce Seafood here. This is an actual summer day, and today I'm going to show you just how easy it is to cook salmon. So what I have here is a 7-ounce portion. We sell here Atlantic farm-raised salmon. We do have wild-caught sockeye available, but today I'm just going to show you one 7-ounce portion. Simple, fast. We got our pan on. I'm using cast iron today. So all I'm going to do, actually start off with a little bit of olive oil. Veg oil will do. Not a lot. I'm going to use some red onion just to be able to create a little bit of a sauce. Going to use an actual stirring mechanism this time instead of a handy microplane. Going to use kosher salt like I always do. I'm going to season up both sides. Just going to let that, and I am going to use Old Bay again. It's my favorite thing to use, especially pan frying. It's going to blacken up really nice. A little breezy out here today. Right down. Season that up. Now what I'm going to do, got some beautiful honey from the Woodstock Farmers Market here from Chris and his beautiful family. Now for a little bit of liquid, I'm just going to add in a bit of soy sauce. That's it. Now you just let it sit, cook. I'm just going to take a bit of this beautiful mixture here, put it on top. Gonna let that cook away for a minute. Now there's a lot to be debated, I guess, when you're talking about farm-raised versus wild-caught. I can kind of argue both sides of it. I think in the future you're going to be seeing a lot more farm fish and the price of wild caught going up, but for the time being both are still readily available. I just choose to sell farm salmon, and because it's readily available and I like it. Now you see how right here it's still moving. Not stuck to the pan because we have a good heat on the cast iron. Now what I like to do, peek at it, make sure it's got some nice color. Use your fingers and flip. Turn this down a little bit. So now the salmon we get in twice a week, every Tuesday morning and every Friday morning. So none of our salmon is ever more than, in our possession, 3 days old. This is sashimi grade salmon for the first 2 days that I have it. So I don't mind at all having it a little bit pink in the middle. So that is actually how I like to have my salmon. Some people, if you want it cooked all the way through, all white, so be it. But I just have to try a piece of this. That's delicious. Nice sweet from the honey. You can taste the red onions. But yeah, that probably start to finish didn't take more than 5 minutes. And that's why I just want to show people, throw whatever flavors you want on there. You could finish with a squeeze of lemon juice. You could put some parsley on it. But anyways, I just really want to show you, it's It's not rocket science on cooking salmon. Come see us at 1300 Seagrave, 6 days a week, Tuesday through Friday, 10 o'clock to 5:30. Every Saturday, we can be found at the Woodstock Farmers Market from 7 to 12. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you at the store.